Hello everyone, welcome to my iPhone Sport YouTube channel. This is Zishan and today's video is gonna show you the solution for background app refresh gray out on iPhone in iOS 13. So first of all, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new latest updates. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Turn off low power mode. To turn off low power mode on iPhone, firstly go to Settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down and tap battery. On the battery page, turn off low power mode. Now go back to the general page and check background app refresh is working or not on your iPhone. That's it. Solution number 2. Enable background app activities. To enable background app activities on iPhone, open the Settings app on your iOS device. On the Settings app, tap Screen Time. On the Screen Time page, scroll down and tap Content and Privacy Restriction. Now completely scroll down to find background app activities and tap it. Select Allow under the section of background app activities. That's it. So guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new latest updates. Thanks for watching.